Hello, and welcome to our channel where we give you quick summaries of the best books out there. Today, we're going to talk about The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This book is a fascinating exploration of the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions. It's a must-read for anyone looking to gain a better understanding of their own relationship with money. In this video, we'll give you a brief introduction to the key themes and ideas of the book in just 5 minutes. So, if you're a quick reader or short on time, this video is perfect for you. Here are 10 main points from the book, along with examples from human life and life lessons for each point. 1. Wealth is relative, not absolute. People tend to focus on how much money they have compared to others rather than how much they have in absolute terms. For example, someone with $1 million may feel poor if they live in a neighborhood where most people have $10 million. Life lesson. Focus on your own goals and values, rather than comparing yourself to others. Your financial success should be measured by your own standards, not someone else's. 2. Luck plays a big role in financial outcomes. Many people attribute their financial success to hard work and skill. But luck plays a significant role in determining financial outcomes. For example, being born into a wealthy family or investing in a booming market can have a significant impact on one's financial success. Life lesson. Acknowledge the role of luck in your financial outcomes and don't take it for granted. Remember to be grateful for the good luck that you have had in your life, and be prepared for bad luck when it comes. 3. Saving is more important than investing. While investing can help grow your wealth, saving is the foundation of financial security. For example, someone who saves 50% of their income can achieve financial independence much faster than someone who invests aggressively but doesn't save much. Life lesson. Make saving a priority, and focus on creating a sustainable budget that allows you to save consistently over time. 4. People are motivated by more than just money. While money is an important motivator, it is not the only one. People are also motivated by autonomy, mastery, and purpose. For example, someone may be willing to take a lower-paying job if it allows them to have more control over their work or if it aligns with their values. Life lesson. Don't let money be the only factor in your career decisions. Consider what motivates you beyond financial compensation, and seek out opportunities that align with your values and goals. 5. Your personal experiences shape your financial decisions. Everyone has a unique set of experiences that shape their attitudes and behaviors towards money. For example, someone who grew up in poverty may be more risk-averse than someone who grew up with financial security. Life lesson. Reflect on how your personal experiences have shaped your relationship with money, and try to identify any biases or blind spots that may be influencing your financial decisions. 6. Fear and greed are powerful emotions that can cloud judgment. Fear and greed are two emotions that can have a significant impact on financial decision-making. For example, fear may lead someone to sell their investments during a market downturn, while greed may lead someone to invest in a speculative asset. Life lesson. Be aware of how fear and greed may be influencing your financial decisions, and try to make decisions based on logic and reason rather than emotion. 7. Time is the most valuable asset. While money is important, time is ultimately the most valuable asset. For example, someone who spends all their time working to earn more money may miss out on important experiences and relationships. Life lesson. Remember to prioritize your time and make space for the things that are truly important in life, such as family, friends, and personal growth. 8. Compound interest is a powerful force. Compound interest is the principle of earning interest on interest, and it can have a significant impact on long-term wealth accumulation. For example, someone who starts saving early and allows their investments to compound over time may end up with much more wealth than someone who waits to start saving. Life lesson. Start saving and investing as early as possible to take advantage of the power of compounding. Even small contributions can make a significant difference over time. 9. Financial decisions are often driven by behavioral biases. Behavioral biases, such as overconfidence, loss aversion, and confirmation bias, can influence financial decision-making. For example, someone who is overconfident may take on too much risk in their investments, while someone who is loss-averse may avoid investing altogether. Life lesson. Be aware of the behavioral biases that may be influencing your financial decisions and take steps to counteract them. Seek out diverse perspectives, challenge your assumptions, and consider the potential downsides of your decisions. 10. The best financial advice is often simple but not easy. While there are countless strategies and tactics for managing money, the most effective advice is often simple and straightforward. For example, spending less than you earn, avoiding debt, and investing in low-cost index funds are all simple but effective strategies for building long-term wealth. Life lesson: don't overcomplicate your financial strategy. Focus on the basics and commit to consistent action over time. While simple strategies may not be easy to implement, they are often the most effective in the long run. Overall, The Psychology of Money provides valuable insights into the ways that human psychology influences financial decision-making. By understanding the underlying factors that drive our attitudes and behaviors towards money, we can make better decisions and achieve greater financial security and freedom. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this quick introduction to The Psychology of Money. If you're interested in learning more, we highly recommend picking up a copy of the book for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.